So, I was in this Wolf in the match, right? And, like, I had no cash, you can see at the top. Only have 1,000 silver lines. So I went in my Italian. Yeah, and basically, there is this. I don't know how. You just have to see. Let me see a cast size comparison between Tiger and me. Just waiting for you, Sonny. Okay, there's the Sherman. Yeah, like I was hesitant, and then went round here. Sherman must have went round, and I was like, nope, that's a Churchill. And then when you went past, there's the Firefly that saved me. Like, I just fixed it. I went like that, and I went like that. Hey, this is they're likely. And then this is near the match end. He uses me as a little snack at the end of the match. I just don't know